Today we will talk about life in Finland. Helsinki is a city that is full of life and opportunities. It has an international atmosphere, but it's also very Finnish. You can have a well-paying job, but still, find time for yourself and your passions. The people of Helsinki are passionate about their work and their families, but they are also passionate about the arts and other hobbies, which makes the city feel like a home away from home. The education system in Finland is one of the best in Europe. It's free up until the university level and there are no tuition fees at all. In addition to this, Finland has one of the highest literacy rates in the world, which means that it's easy to find good quality jobs if you are qualified enough with a degree or higher education qualification. The first thing you'll notice when you come to Helsinki is how easy it is to get around, and there's no shortage of things to do. Whether you're looking for work or just want to relax with your friends or family, Helsinki has something for everyone. Helsinki is home to many different types of people, from artists who love the city's vibrant nightlife to families who are drawn by its excellent parks. There's something for everyone here. And if you're looking for good schools and great opportunities for jobs in all kinds of fields, like engineering, then Finland might be just what you're looking for.